Hello peeps, this is your boy, Cooking with Ron. So, a lot of people often wonder, what do I drink as a beverage outside of coffee, tea, things of that nature? One of my favorite drinks is Gatorade Zero. I prefer the orange, just like it. Why would you drink Gatorade Zero? As part of your daily lifestyle change. Remember we talked about how to lose weight, get to your sexy weight, looking fine as you want to be, like some wine. But here's the catcher. And this is right out of my dietitian's mouth. There is two reasons why you need to replace your sugary drinks with something like Gatorade Zero. One, the sugar. Most of these drinks, especially sodas, contain fructose syrup, which is sugar in any form that you can imagine. We're not really healthy sugars, which is going to contribute to weight gain and to diabetes, which none of us want, right? Shake your head. Yeah, you don't want diabetes. Horrible thing, horrible disease to have when you become insulin, So, here's the good thing about Gatorade Zero. The serving size of this is one bottle, and this bottle is 20 ounces. I'm going to show you something. If you can see that, 5 calories is the serving size. You drink this and it's only 5 calories. Show me a sugary drink that has anything less than 100 and some calories and it's usually like a 12-ounce can that's 100 and some calories. Full of fructose syrup, full of diabetes. And that's with all that syrup, you got to worry about your teeth now. So anyway, I'm going to tell you a second reason why you need to stay away from them sugary drinks. Soda, which is carbonated, and it's not even just soda, anything that's carbonated, and this is straight out of a dietitian's mouth. The reason why you don't want to drink carbonated drinks, can anybody tell me? I'm going to tell you. Because that CO2 expands your stomach. This is why we often see morbidly obese people eat a lot of food and then they also get a diet drink. That Diet Coke is not good for you either. But that CO2 will cause your stomach to expand to allow you to eat more food. Let me repeat that again. That CO2 in them drinks will expand your stomach to allow you to continue eating. So with your stomach now expanded, now you feel like you're not really full, and you will continue eating. That's why you want to get away from those carbonated drinks and those unhealthy drinks, because they're not going to benefit you in the long run. This, or drinks similar to this, will benefit you. And you can drink this as much as you want. Now, one thing I do not like about it, it has a lot of sodium in it. But I'll take that sodium over that sugar any day, and that CO2. And you notice even if you drink one of these, and you drink a carbonated drink, the two biggest things you're going to know is you drink this, you'll feel more fuller. That carbonated drink that you just drink, you might feel a little bit more hungry because that CO2 is going to make your stomach expand, and now you're hungry. That's why a lot of people go out and they get Big Macs and they drink, they drink the soda afterwards, and they notice, I can get another fry because I'm not quite full. That's the sort of your obesity problem. That's why you're going to continue eating, because you don't feel like you're full. It's okay to be a little hungry, but drinking those CO2, no good thing. So I've gotten on this hook. I'm trying to wean myself back to water because I love these things. You can get like 8 of them for like, if you catch them on sale, you might get them for like $7, $8. You still get more sugary drinks, but overall, this is much better for you. This is your boy Ron looking out for you, telling you, get away from them sugary drinks. Get away from them high, I call useless calories that you have in these drinks. You got people who drink, a couple of 2 liters a day, and you wonder why their blood sugar is not spiking all the good grief. So, our tip for the day is change your drinks. That is going to be the biggest change in your in your lifestyle, is to change what you drink. And another option you go to, if you don't want to buy this, you're like, this too, it's outside my budget, it's cost. If you can afford sodas, you can afford this. If you can afford sodas, you can afford this. And if you still think that's outside your budget, there's nothing wrong with getting regular water, add a little lemon to it. Lemon juice. You can buy a concentrated lemon juice, put that, and don't put no sugar in it because you just made lemonade. If you do, we're going to go into the other sugars that you can use outside of using regular sugars. But you can use that, and if you really want to get a good cleansing, get some water and put a little bit of vinegar, apple cider vinegar in it. Yeah, drink it. You can drink it straight. Don't make it too strong because you don't want to damage your enamel. But you